Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Jason and you're now tuned into I Speak Geek. So guys, Apple just released a couple new products. That's a new 4K Apple TV, the 10th generation iPad, and the new iPad Pro. So the 4K TV gets a new slimmed down design. It has Dolby Atmos support, and there is a new redesigned Apple remote. This has a dedicated Siri button. And I think the Apple 4K TV still has one of the best UIs out there in the game. Moving on, talking about the iPad 10th generation, this gets a whole new redesign. It comes in 4 different colors: pink, yellow, blue, and silver, and it now has an edge-to-edge screen. And the camera is all new for this year. It is in landscape mode, and this is due to a lot of us working from home, so doing a ton of video calls, this just makes sense. And the iPad 10th generation does adopt USB-C, but if you're going to use an Apple Pencil, you're going to need an adapter. This is a USB-C to Lightning, and it costs about $8. And this will allow you to charge your Apple Pencil off the new iPad 10th generation. So moving on, let's talk about the iPad Pro. So I wasn't a fan of this, and I probably won't pick this up because it's just a simple spec bump, and it's just a cash grab by Apple. So now for this year, you got the M2 processor, but all the same hardware from last year. So if you have an M1 iPad, I suggest holding on to that. So they say with this new M2 processor in the iPad, it's 15% faster, and you can transcode and record ProRes as well as record 4K footage. But I think you can do this same thing with an M1 iPad. Just Apple has to allow us to have that support. And then there's going to be DaVinci Resolve coming to the iPad. This should be for not only the new iPad Pro, but the previous model as well. So the killer feature that they announced for this iPad was the hover with the pencil, something Samsung's been doing since 2012. And of course, Stage Manager. Again, something that you can do on the current version of the iPad Pro. So guys, do you think you're going to pick this up? Please leave a comment below and let me know. And guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm Jason. This is I Speak Geek. Peace.